Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be discuss days of month in Japanese. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First we are going to be discuss the first 10 days of month. Let's start with first. The first of month is called Tus Itachi. Tus Itachi. And this is how we write it in kanji. As you can see, the last character of all the words from first to 10 days is same in kanji. And these are almost same as we use in hundreds, except from two or three words. So the first is tusatachi, the second is kusuka, kusuka. The third is nikka, fourth yoka, fifth isuka, sixth muika, seventh manoka, eighth yoka, ninth kukunoka, tenth toka. So let's practice them one more time. Tus Itachi, Kusuka, Nika, Yoka, Isuka, Muika, Nanoka, Yoka, Kokonoka, Toka. So these are the first 10 words in Japanese, first 10 days of month in Japanese. Now, what are the days? How we call the days from 21 to 31 in Japanese? So this is the formula we're going to be followed to call the remaining words days of the Japanese month. The first is we use the number we need. For example, I have give the example of 30. The first we use 30, which is Sanju, and to represent day we write Nichi, Sanju Nichi, and this is called 30 in Japanese. So this is the formula we're going to use if we going to be learn how to tell and speak the words from 20 from the words or the characters or the name of how to spoke the days of 21 to 31. We use this. For 30 we use a number first, and after that we use Michi. Whatever kind of word we need, we use the number first, and after that we use the Nichi word. So there are some exception also, the special days. The first is 14, which is Ju-Yuka. So this doesn't follow the rule I told you earlier. These are the three special characters who don't follow the rule. The first is 14, 20, and 24. They don't follow the rule. Although you can see their kanji characters almost a combination of the characters here. If you see 1, 2, 3, this is Ichi, Ni, San, Yun, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Chi, and Ju. So this is how we write them in kanji. So if you see that these characters is also the combination of the two characters we write before. If you say the 14, which is Ju, which is Ju, Yunju. Yunju is 14, right? So if you see, if we see how we write Ju is like this, Ju, and how we write Jun is this is kanji character, as you can see it here, right? So this is also combination of the kanji characters, and after all, my attention is not to give you a kanji lecture here. I need to tell you how to memorize the words from the first and from first to 30 first. So I'm not going to teach you the kanji of these characters. I'm just telling you These are also the combination of the characters we already know. So 14 is also special character, 20 and 24. These are the three special characters. We do not follow the rules. The other days, like the characters and name of the other days, follows the rules. Okay. The first is 14, which is Yoka. The second is Asuka. And the 24th is Niju Yoka. We don't, it's almost the same that we use the name as same as Niju, which is 24. Niju Yoka. Except if we're going to say 24, we can say Niju Jung Yoka, Nichi. But we don't follow the rules, so we said that Niju Yoka, Asuka and Ju Yoka. So now let's practice the days from 11 to 20. The first is 11, which is Juichi Nichi. Juichi Nichi. Juni Nichi. Jusan Nichi. Ju Yoka. As I told you, 14 is a special character which doesn't follow the rule. 15, Jugo Nichi. 16, Juroku Nichi. 17, Ju Shichi Nichi. 18, Ju Hachi Nichi. 19, Juku Nichi. 20, Asuka. So first is 11. Now let's practice them one more time. Ju Ichi Nichi. Juni Nichi. Jusan Nichi. Juyoka. Jugo Nichi. Juroku Nichi. Jushichi Nichi. Juhachi Nichi. Juku Nichi. Asuka. As you can see, the 20 is also a special character. I already told you there are three special characters, 14, 20 and 24. Now, let's practice the words from 21 to 31. 21 is Niju Ichi Nichi. Niju Ichi Nichi. This is called Niju in kanji and thus Ichi Nichi. Niju ni Nichi. Niju san Nichi. Niju Yoka. As you can see, this is a special character which doesn't follow the rules. Niju go Nichi. Niju Roku Nichi. Niju Shichi Nichi. Niju Hachi Nichi. Niju Hachi Nichi. Niju Ku Nichi. Niju, Nanju Nichi. Sanju Nichi. So this is the words from 21 to 31. Now let's practice this one more time. The first is 21. Niju Ichi Nichi. Niju ni Nichi. Niju san Nichi. Niju Yoko. Niju go Nichi. Niju oku Nichi. Niju shichi Nichi. Niju hachi Nichi. Nijuku Nichi. Sanju Nichi. Sanju Ichi Nichi. So these are the characters from 21 to 31 in Japanese. So now let's summarize the today lecture, what we learned today. The first we learned is the days of month in Japanese, and I told that, and we practice the words from 1st to 10th. We practice these words and also see the kanji characters. After that, we follow a rule to learn the characters from 21 to 31. After that, we practice the characters from 11 to 20 and from 21 to 31. So this is how we learn all the characters in today's lecture. So see you in the next lecture. If you have any problem, you can comment and I see if we can solve your problem. See you in the next lecture. Mata Aishta.